I have a quick update to the big Harvey announcement. More right after this. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your sanity. This is the Shack. Hello and welcome back to the Shack. Yes, I have an update to my prior video. Big announcement, Harvey is coming here to listen to you. The problem is not enough of you have responded. I've only gotten 5 emails. I know there are more of us out there, and there's got to be some suggestions, some thoughts you have on your Harvey item. It doesn't matter if it's the table saw, bandsaw, lathe, the dust collection, even if it's the extended wing for either the router accessory or even the, what the heck, I guess they call it the sliding miter you mount on your table saw. Doesn't matter, whatever it is that is Harvey. If you have suggestions or comments about it, please email me so I can get that to the CEO. Now the update, they want to know if any more people in my area have the Harvey would like to meet. We are going to meet, I guess, at the Texas Roadhouse in Menifee. So if you're anywhere near that area, contact me. I'll keep you posted. I may even shoot your email to Harvey so they can converse with you. I don't know how it's going to work yet, but they reached out to me and asked if there are any other Harvey owners in my area that would like to meet. There's going to be 4 people on the production end of Harvey and the CEO. So it'll be 5 representatives from Harvey here willing to listen to you, talk to you, discuss about Harvey with you. I'm just the carrier. I'm the one delivering this. Yeah, they're going to talk to me also, but I'm not the only voice. There's more of us out here that have the Harvey product. So please email me. Let's get this thing set up. Let's get together, have a nice little group, have a great Q&A, I guess, session with them at the Texas Roadhouse, have a decent meal. I was going to say something about beer, but I'm not going to go there. Nope. Possibly have an adult beverage if that's what you wish, and just have a great fellowship time, gather together, talking about the Harvey machines and woodworking in general. So that's the update. They're coming to the Texas Roadhouse in Menifee. I guess it's at 3 p.m. I know that's going to be conflictive with people's schedule, especially if they work. I don't know what day yet, but that's just the initial time. Things could change because, again, it's not till sometime in late July. So you still have time to get things situated, maybe rearrange your schedule so you can get over there. If I was willing to go down to the warehouse, which is a little over an hour drive. So I think personally, if I had a chance to meet with Harvey, I would drive an hour and a half. It's 3 o'clock. So by the time we get done, it'll be after the rush hour, and you'll be able to drive home in decent flow. I don't know, it may still be a little bit heavy traffic-wise, but it should be decent. Please, I can't stress that enough. Your voice will not be heard if you do not email me, so I can get the emails with your concerns, your suggestions, your thoughts, whatever, to the representatives of Harvey. You're not going to be heard unless you either show up or email me. Plain and simple. So that's the update. And especially if you're within an hour and a half drive of Menifee, look on Google Maps, type in Texas Roadhouse, Menifee, California. It'll show you, see how far you are away. I mean, San Diego, I'd come up, San Bernardino, Orange County even. I don't know if I'd do LA, that's a couple hour drive, but that's totally up to you. Again, I'm just throwing that out there. They are more than happy to have more people out there to discuss Harvey. And the next generation Harvey, more likely. That's why they're doing this. I tell you, there's going to be changes. That is it on this update. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack for your sanity. Anything in this world, you won't be heard unless you voice your opinion. Email me or show up. See you next video.